यताबाट आज अब उताबाट जाँदैछौँ क्यारे होइन हिस्ट्री पुरै ठुलो सिपबाट यता जाँदैछौँ
to Cozumel, Mexico.
Cozumel.
यहाँको फिचर चाहिँ यल्लो
you are in Queen Elizabeth boy
45 resort. The Cozumel with Los Morros, MSC, and you can see website. This is a good place for shopping. It's not myself, it's other person. The guy he going to explain you what is the process for a good. Which one? In Mexico, other side. So because you need to. Restaurant, you don't can see. And okay, my friends, this.
Huh?
Tequila Blanco with the distillery 3 times. Normally the commercials only 1 or 2 times distillery. With us 3 times. That's the Tequila Blanco for margaritas. Then we give you the option. Remember, that's the middle of the Mexico, the map. That's the Tequila Jalisco. The tequila is from Jalisco. And that's we have to wait 10 years.
We need Tequila Blanco. Tequila Blanco.
Tequila Blanco.
Amatitlan town.
Amatitlán.
Dicen Jalisco. Tenemos el tequila es 3 toños. What?
Más de 3 años en el barrio que se considera y
Years extra use values. And then the Tequila Blanco is only.
सबजनालाई के कस्तो छ त्यहाँतिर ठिकठाक छ पछाडिसम्मलाई ठिक छ हातमा राम्रै बास्ना आइरहेछ अलराइट